Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how you can manage the renewal settings for your hosting, websites, and also for your add-ons if you have those in SiteGround. And as you can see over here, I have been logged into the SiteGround dashboard. And I'll start off with the hosting plans. So let's say I want to manage the renewal settings for the hosting plans that I have. First thing I have to do is click on Services over here at this tab that you can see. So click on it. Over here you can see two different tabs. One is hosting and the other one is domains. So make sure it's set to hosting. And as you can see, I have three different hosting plans over at this account that I have at SiteGround. And the way you can manage the renewal settings is for each plan is you have to click on manage, this option over here. So now I'll select it for this hosting account. So click on manage. Now you can see this screen, and over here you have to click on the three dots. So click on it, and now if you go down you can see this option, the renewal settings. So click on it, and over here you can see auto renewal off, on, and over here it's set to on. So that means that it will automatically renew the subscription, and the billing cycle is 12 months. So that's what I want. But if you don't want this plan to be automatically renewed, then you have to make sure to switch this option off. So that's how you do it for the hosting plans. Now I'm going to show you how you can do it for the domains. So again, go over to the services tab, go to the domains tab in this case. So don't select hosting but select domains, click on it. Over here you can see all the domains that are connected to this plan. So I'll scroll down to one that's available. So for example, this one, I will blur all the domain names out because I have also affiliate sites hosted on this account, and of course I don't want to show them in public. So go to the domain that you want to manage the renewal settings for, click on manage again, wait for the screen to load. Same again, click on the three dots that you see over here, click on it, and now you can see this option, renewal settings. So click on it. Over here again you can see that this option is turned on, but if I don't want to automatically renew this domain, then you have to turn this off. So that's how you do it for the domains. The last thing I want to show you is how you can manage the renewal settings for add-ons if you have those. First thing you have to do is click on the services tab again. So now over here at this screen, then click on the domains tab, make sure you have that selected. Now I'll scroll down to a domain which has an add-on. As you can see, for this domain I have added the domain privacy add-on. You can see it by this notification that it's turned on. Then you have to click on the manage option again. So click on it, and now you see the domain settings over here, and next to that you have the extras option. So click on extras, and there you can see that the domain privacy add-on has been added. And if you click on the three dots, then you can see the renewal settings, and if I click on it, then you can see that in this case it's turned on. So that means that it will automatically renew every 12 months. But if you don't want that, if you want to cancel the subscription once the billing cycle has ended, then you have to make sure to switch this off. So that's how you can do it for the add-ons. Now you know how you can manage the renewal settings for the domains, hosting plans, and also for the add-ons. So I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, make sure to smash the thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on new videos that will be uploaded. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know in the comments and I will answer all the questions over there. So thanks for watching, hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you back again in the next video.